Hi guys, in this class we will discuss about a problem number 26. What is the problem statement? Problem statement is that you have to write a Python program to check a number. First of all, you have to get a number using input function from the user, whether it is even or odd number. So for example, a user insert a 2, a message should be displayed that this number is a even. If a user enter a, for example, 19, a message should display that this is a odd number. So such type of functionality I have to create. This is a very simple task. You know that we are learning simple task series. After that simple task, I will share a intermediate and complex type of problem you have to follow and you have to understand. So what is the algorithm for this problem statement? First of all, you have to get a number from the user. For example, you have to store that number in the a variable. For example, user insert a 5, you have to insert for example 5. That number should be stored in any variable. Store that number to variable, and then check that number modulus by 2, number modulus by 2. So this is a formula. This is a logic. For example, number means this number is the user enter number. For example, 5 modulus 2. If its result is come 1, then number should be odd. If its result is come 0, then number will be a even. So on this basis I will check. If result is 0 from step 3, then number is even, otherwise is odd. So display a message to user, and display message means this number is odd, this number is even. So and end of the algorithm. This is very simple algorithm and simple task, but very important. We go to notepad to understand how you can solve this problem. In the previous class I discussed about this functionality less than 40 marks. So create new file and problem 26.py, and I have to get a number from the user, check even or odd number. So first of all I use the input function. Here I will write a enter a number. I will convert this number into integer. You know that what is I am doing. I have discussed many times how I convert, why I convert this input to integer. So that number should be stored in the num variable. Then I will check that if using if else structure, print else. So this is a basic structure. So in this parenthesis I will create a condition. For example, modulus num modulus 2 equal to 0, sorry, equal to 0, sorry, if if modulus by 2. What is mean? For example, if user, sorry, two time, if user insert a 10, then I will check its modulus with 2. For example, 10 modulus 2. So its remainder come 0. So its result will be a 0. Then you can see that its result is equal to 0. We are checking. If its result is equal to checking, then display a message number is even. Number is even. For example, if user insert a 18, you know that when I find modulus with 18 means there is no remainder to come, then its result will be a 0. So you can see that a number is 18. When I find its modulus with 2, result is 0. You can see that condition is true, then this message should be displayed. If a user insert a 16, then also its remainder will come a 0. Then condition will be a true, that its result should be equal to 0. If 0, then this condition will be a true, then this message will be displayed. So for example, if user insert a 17, then its remainder will come a 1. So this condition will become a false because it is not coming or equality to 0. Then this message will be displayed if condition is false and number is odd. So I open the command prompt, python problem 26.py, enter a number, for example 10, number is even. Again I enter 11, number is odd. 1, a number is odd. So I enter a 0, number is even. So this type of functionality I created when user enter a number, this module and this functionality written is Python will check the number is even or odd. So it is very easy. I hope you have understand how it is working. So we go to PPT slide and I share a assignment. This is assignment. What you have to do, you have to write a Python program to check a number whether it is even or odd number. So this is your functionality you have to include additionally. Then find that number square. For example, a user enter 5 and you display a message that this is a odd number. You have to also message this message and you have to additionally display its square, this number square. If a user enter a, for example 4, you have display message this is a even, and with even message you have to also display its square. So this type of functionality you have to include. Anyhow, if you have any question, any problem, you can discuss with me without any hesitation. Thank you.